everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a ring in shuttle tatting. To get started, all you'll need is a tatting shuttle and some crochet thread. And if you're a beginner, it's a good idea to use size 10 crochet thread. What you'll do to get started is to wind your shuttle with your crochet thread. To wind your shuttle, all you do is you place your crochet thread in your tatting shuttle, hold the thread with your thumb, and start winding the shuttle counterclockwise. And you will continue winding your shuttle until you have as much crochet thread as you want or a full shuttle. After you have wound your shuttle, now we're going to get started on making a ring. And in tatting, there is only one stitch, the double stitch. To make your ring, what you're going to do is hold your shuttle in your right hand, wrap the thread around your hand, your left hand, and hold the thread together with your thumb and index finger. To make the first half of the double stitch, what you're going to do is hold your shuttle thread above your shuttle with your fingers, go through your ring thread, go through the ring thread, then come up and go back over the ring thread through the thread that you have held up with your right hand. And see that? Now what you're going to do is you're going to transfer the stitch, relax your left hand a little, and tighten the right hand. And tighten the first half of the stitch to your index finger. And that is the first half. To make the second half, what you're going to do is you're going to take your shuttle and go over the ring thread, and then take your shuttle and go back under the ring thread, making sure to go through the loop made from the shuttle thread. And transfer this half of the stitch like you did the other half, and you'll tighten it up against the first half of the stitch. And in tatting, there's only one stitch, the double stitch, so now you want to continue making your stitches like I showed you before. Now that I got 5 stitches, I am going to add a picot. A picot is simply make your first half of the double stitch, and when you tighten it, do not tighten it up against the other stitches. Have a little space between them. Hold that and make your second half. Now slide that stitch over with the rest of them, and that little loop it made is called a picot. So continue making your double stitches and picots till you have as many stitches you want for your ring. And if you need more ring thread, all you do is you'll pull on the thread, the ring thread, and it will take some thread from the shuttle to make your loop larger. And for my ring, I am doing 5 double stitches, picot, 5 double stitches, picot, and 5 more double stitches. Now to close your ring, all you'll do is hold the stitches with your left hand and pull on your shuttle thread until it tightens, like that. And if your ring does not want to close, that means one of your double stitches has not been flipped. You have not transferred one of your stitches. And that is how you make a ring in shuttle tatting. And I will be doing some more tatting tutorials in the future, both shuttle tatting and needle tatting, so be sure to check back on my channel.